Hey bosses, in this video you'll learn how to add and manage integrations in your Team Book Like a Boss account. Go to the settings from your top menu and click on integrations. These are the integrations that are done on the team level. For example, a YouTube video that is shown on your team's booking page. Now here you can add Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, things like that. Just enter your corresponding IDs from whichever integration you want to use, then click Save. When you go to the individual account under a team account, you will have more integrations like Zoom, Google Meet, MailChimp, an extra YouTube video for an individual account, and many, many more, which we show in a different video. We also have webhooks right here that you can create, as well as access to thousands of apps if you're using Zapier right here. All right, bosses, that's how to add and manage integrations with Book Like a Boss.